Welcome to Overland Travel Adventures. We're here at Park City, Utah with the COO of Storyteller Overland, Lee Kahn. He sent everybody on their way with the vans. They're headed to Moab. And we're right here by the King Khan lift, which I think is named after Lee, because he is the king and he is a Khan.
It's been a few years since I got to ride my snowboard, and there's nothing more fun than doing things like this with your best buddies that you don't get to see very often. And it was this guy's birthday yesterday, so we're having a good time. And it's just killer. Park City rules because you're only, what, it was 29 miles from the hotel to here. So easy to get on the slopes. They're unbelievable. The weather's perfect. We could be in t-shirts out here if we were younger men.
Yeah, we're not putting t-shirts on.
But anyways, no, it's just awesome, and we're gonna ride a few more slopes and then probably go chill out a little bit and then sit down and solve the problems of the world.
Instead of renting from Hertz Budget or something like that, I decided to try out Turo, which is an app that allows you, almost like Airbnb, to rent cars from people. One of the cool things that I found with Turo is that you get to see the car that you're actually renting versus, you know, hey, you're gonna get a mid-sized car or a small car or something like that. And I had a real tough time with budget when I got to Salt Lake City. They didn't have the car that I had reserved. They're gonna put me in a pickup truck. It was gonna be like 800 bucks. That was crazy. I was able to rent a Porsche Cayenne. That's not a brand new one, but it's a Porsche Cayenne for less than 100 bucks a day. So pretty cool. Turo's cool. I'll put a link in the description below.